In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tilt an image in Canva. Tilting an image is a quick way to add energy, depth, or a playful feel to your design without changing the content itself. Whether you're creating a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer, a slight rotation can help the image line up with your layout or stand out just enough to draw attention. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get it right in a few seconds. Once your design is open in Canva and you can see the photo or graphic you want to tilt, start by clicking directly on that image. This selects it and brings up the outline and handles around the edges. When the image is selected, you'll notice a thin border with small circles at the corners and sides. That border is your visual confirmation that you're working with the right element. If you click and nothing appears, try clicking again directly on the image area to make sure it's selected. With the image selected, look for the rotate icon. In Canva, this typically appears just outside the image boundary near the top or at one of the corners. It looks like a small circular arrow. Move your cursor over that icon, then click and hold. While holding, drag your mouse left or right to rotate. As you rotate, you'll see the image pivot smoothly around its center, and Canva may display a small degree indicator to show how far you've tilted. Keep dragging until the angle feels right for your design. A subtle tilt often looks polished and intentional, while a more dramatic tilt can create a bold, dynamic look. When you're happy with the angle, simply release the mouse to set it. If the rotate icon doesn't appear, the most common reason is that the image isn't actually selected, so click the image again and check for the border. Also, make sure you're grabbing the rotate icon itself, not a corner handle, since the corner handles are for resizing rather than rotating. Small, steady movements give you more control, and watching the on-screen angle makes it easy to fine-tune your tilt. That's all there is to it. Click the image to select it, then use the rotate icon to tilt until it fits your layout and style. With this simple technique, you can quickly add motion, balance, and personality to your Canva designs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.